video will show you how to organize your course menu. As an instructor on a page, you will have a course menu on the left followed by a course management section. Now your students won't see anything below this line, so it's your job to organize your menu in such a way that they can find everything they need to. So we're going to add a menu item by going up to this little plus button, and then we can add any of these items. The first one, content area, is where we build content and add assessments like tests or assignments. So when we see the orange asterisk, we know it's required, so we have to fill in. And then we can make it straight away available to users or leave it hidden for later if we are still working on it. A course menu item may have these two icons next to it. The first one means that the link is still hidden from students. To show the link, we simply go to the little menu next to it, and we can show the link and students are now able to see it. Or we can go back and hide it. We can also rename and delete the link from this section. The second icon means that there's no content. This will disappear the moment we start building some content in this area. Next item we have on the content area is module page. Now this is mostly used for home page. And let's make this one available. And we can add modules and a page banner here. So you can add a page banner and any module that you'd like to have on the front page of your. So let's say, for instance, I like to have announcements. I'm going to add that. And I've got announcements on my home page. The next one down is blank page, and this is just a text box that you can have. So it's just a space where you will have a single text box, content editor box that you can use to type in any information. And you can change any of your font the way you want. Alright, so next one is tool link. So this is a link to any of the tools that you have available. To go and view all the tools, you can go down to course tools, and there you will see all of the tools that you have. And to link any of these to the menu, we use a tool link. And the tools are all available in this drop down menu, and you can choose whichever tool you need to. So let's choose the discussion board and then give it a name. So you don't have to call it the tool name, you can call it something else. For instance, I'm going to call this one discussions, and that's a tool link. So let's quickly have a look at the difference between a tool link and a content area. So a content area is where we can build multimedia and other items that we want, or have tests and assignments. Whereas a tool link links to that specific tool. So this is going to go straight to my discussion forum. The next one we have is web links. So if you have a link from the web that you want to input here, so for instance, sorry, it wants me to add the HTTPS. So this will take them to the CT website. Next up, we have a course link, and this links to anything on your course. So if you want a direct link to something in your course, you just go and browse and then click on that specific thing. So we want to link to a specific discussion that we had, and we can do that. So instead of students having to go and navigate to that discussion board, they can just simply click on that and it'll take them to that forum. And then the last two are the subheader and dividers, and these are just for organization. So subheader will look like this. So it's just a bolded font that it doesn't have anything underneath. It's just for organization to demarcate your different sections. Divider, same thing, instead it's a line that you can use to organize your menu. So if you want to move around anything on your menu, just hover your cursor to the left until you see the 4 arrows and drag and drop it to where you want. And that's an easy way to organize your course menu.